Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can use the web browser on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. If you go here to the right, you're gonna find your game library. Here you're gonna find all of your installed games and apps. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, you're gonna find all of these sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and lastly, right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically, guys, right now, in order to use the web browser on the PlayStation 5, there isn't actually a direct way to use the web browser because basically, guys, the web browser is not available on the PlayStation 5. It was available back in the day on the PlayStation 4, but it's not added yet to the PlayStation 5, but they might add it in the future. So the closest way to go to the web browser is by clicking on the PS button, and then here in the bottom you're gonna find Game Base. Go ahead and click on it, and then you can send a message, for example, like a link, for example youtube.com, and once you send it as a message you can basically click on it, and as you can see guys, this is the closest way you can go to a web browser. There is also an option you can go, for example, to media here, and then for example you can use some applications that are available right here. As you can see guys, you're gonna find Netflix, Crunchyroll, Twitch, Spotify, YouTube, and if you go to all apps you're gonna find a lot of applications. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.